Hello everyone, this is my review of Lunchbox bag. This reusable lunchbox is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to pack their lunch on the go. The insulation is top-notch, keeping my food and drinks chilled for hours, even on hot summer days. The leak-proof design is a lifesaver, preventing any messy spills or accidents. I appreciate the adjustable shoulder strap, which allows for comfortable carrying, whether I'm heading to work or going on a picnic. The quality of the materials is excellent, and the overall construction is sturdy. It's clear that this lunchbox is built to last. Plus, it's a great way to reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. I've been using this lunchbox for several months now, and I couldn't be happier with my purchase. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to pack your lunch, I highly recommend this product. I hope this review helps.